The Galaxy S24's display brightness problems can be attributed to software glitches or incorrect calibration of the light sensor. Software glitches can cause the adaptive brightness feature, which adjusts the screen brightness based on ambient light levels, to malfunction. If you're facing issues with the adaptive brightness feature, the first thing you have to do is to restart your phone. Restarting your device can often resolve minor software issues that could be causing the adaptive brightness feature to malfunction. To restart your Galaxy S24, press and hold the power and volume down buttons until the power options appear. Then select Restart and confirm your decision to reboot your device. After your phone has restarted, check if the adaptive brightness feature is working properly. If the issue persists after restarting your device, you may need to recalibrate the light sensor. The light sensor is responsible for detecting the ambient light level. If it's not calibrated correctly, it can cause the adaptive brightness feature to malfunction. To calibrate the light sensor, go to Settings, then Device Care. Swipe up and select Diagnostics, then Phone Diagnostics. Select Sensors and allow your phone to recalibrate the sensors. These two solutions are often enough to resolve this minor issue. However, if the problem persists, you might need to check for software updates, which often include bug fixes and performance improvements. You can also try resetting all settings on your phone to their default configuration without deleting your files and data. We hope this troubleshooting guide can help you. Thanks for watching.